Hi guys, I hope you're doing well today. I am recording this video because you guys just finished the two easy assignments, the check-in discussion and the syllabus quiz. And now you're probably looking forward to completing the first thinking piece and also the collaborative group activity that are both due on Sunday. So I'm going to go over those two activities briefly and just give you some tips on how to complete them. So to reach the assignments, you can always click over here. I believe this should look really similar in the student view, or you can go over here to modules. I really recommend that you focus on modules because I've got everything for each week organized in the order that you need to complete it. So if you just work your way down all of the assignments each week, you should be in a really good spot for the class. All right, so probably right now you're working on reading and looking at the timeline, reading the background information to prepare for these two assignments. So let's talk first about the collaborative group activity. Okay, I've organized all of the students in this class into groups of 4 to 5. And if you watch this video right here, it gives you tips on how to work together in groups in Canvas to complete the assignments. And then if you go down here to my slideshow, you will see the exact assignment. I basically assigned each group a specific slide. So you can see the slide number here. That's going to correspond to your group number. Okay, so group number 2 would have slide number 2. And then the questions you answer in your slide are right here. And here's also some tips just to read through, should help with any confusion. All right, so how do I get into my group? How do I let my group members know I want to work together? I would recommend going over to People. Okay, and in my view, I get to see everybody. But if you go to groups, collaborative groups here, I think in student view, you'll only see your own group. Okay, I get to see all the groups, but I think you'll just see one. And I've had Canvas randomly assign one student to be the group leader. As a group, you can decide what the group leader does. Maybe that student turns in the assignment for everybody or helps people get organized. So to work together in my group, I can either click here and I will see everyone in my class or in my group, or I can go like this and I can visit my group homepage. And on the group homepage, for your view, you can make an announcement, share your email, maybe in the announcement, create a Google link to a shared group of slides. That's probably what I would do, especially if I were the group leader. I don't think I can make an announcement. I think I can. I think I should be able to make an announcement. But you guys, it's kind of your space to work together, share documents, send discussion, post kind of back and forth to each other. And then as a group on Sunday, you're just submitting one link to a Google slide presentation. All right. So that is that. So let's go back here. I'm going to have to do this. Oh, I'm still in the groups. I'm going to leave groups. And I'm going to go over here to modules. And back to week 1. Your thinking piece assignment number 1 is here. You're submitting about a 2-page document that's basically a free write, but you want to show in the free write that you're really thinking about the text. So I would recommend including several pretty in-depth references to the text that show you've understood and read the text as a whole. You're not just responding to like individual passages. And this thinking piece, as I think most of the thinking pieces will, it's a jump off from the reading assignment and also from the collaborative group activity. So the big question this week is, what is literature? And basically, who gets to decide what fits into the canon or the group of texts that are considered literature, and what's our criteria for making those decisions? So we're looking at the 2 texts that you read this week and discussing their literary value. They're not typically the types of texts that you would think of being in a literature class. One's a letter written in Spanish originally and translated to English, and the other one is a testimonial. All the information about those genres, the backgrounds of the text is included in the readings. So that's what you'll need to do independently, and then complete this thinking piece. The specific instructions on the thinking pieces, it's in the orientation module, but you can also access it by clicking this link. Please read through the instructions really carefully on this first one and email me or stop into office hours if you have any questions. And I look forward to reading what you have to write. Hope that helps you get started with the assignments that are due on Sunday.